Don't get caught. Don't get caught slipping in the turning lane. It's the Evil Empire riding dirty.
I got my first job. I got my first job.
DJ Rio in the mix.
Pussy nigga keep on talking, we gon' smoke his ass. It ain't shit to get you killed. Boy, I got a bag. But I got 30s and revolvers, I'll bust your ass. And I got niggas that'll rob you, they don't need no mask. And I run through so many ounces, I can't keep no bag. I taught myself how to hustle, nigga, fuck a dad. I got my first scale, then I fell in love with grams. Playing with that scale, I done touched a couple bands. I ran my money up, and I lost a couple friends. Pussy nigga sucker hating, thought he was my man. Grew up with roaches on the wall, when this shit gon' end. I had no money in my pocket, had to make a plan. I'm on the willow with props up, we gotta get it off. Boy told they couldn't catch us, so they had to board the house. Can you believe it, man? I started with a quarter ounce. They came a long way from making plays at grandma's house. They thought I was gon' fall off, but nigga, look at me now. Remember sleeping on the floor, now I got a house. They came a long way from sleeping on my humble couch. Now these niggas calling, asking, can I run it out? When I got my first job, man, these niggas some pussies, man. I got my first job. When I got my first job. Pussy nigga keep on talking, we gon' smoke his ass. When I got my first job.
Yeah, you know a nigga got dough. A nigga can leave.